Okay, today we're talking about central vacuum systems. So what is a central vacuum system? Well, as the name implies, there is a large vacuum head that usually will be mounted, let's say, in a basement, in a garage, on the first floor of a building, etc. And there'll be a series of PVC pipes that run from that vacuum unit to each floor, to common areas, to specific rooms. And it allows you to vacuum those areas or those rooms with just a vacuum hose, and you don't have to drag a vacuum cleaner up and down the stairs or push a heavy vacuum cleaner around a large facility.
Woo!
It also helps keep that living space quieter because you don't obviously have that vacuum in the living space. Here's a generic look at a central vacuum cleaner. Ideally, right around 800 air watts, give or take, is a good air watt rating. And you can see in this picture, this one you would hook up the 40-foot low voltage vacuum hose. You can see there's a collection bucket, so that's where all the dirt and debris gets collected. There's a muffler to reduce the noise of the vacuum motor while it's running, and you plug it into a dedicated 120 volt outlet. And these can have one or two motors. There's lots of different makes and models out there on the market. And most common thing you'll see with these central vacuum systems is a powered wall inlet. And you can see there's two connection points inside there that close the circuit and turn the vacuum on downstairs.
Wow.
And a lot of the vacuum hoses will have a push button, like an on and off button, to turn that vacuum on and off. Another great innovation for central vacuum systems is these pull-out vacuum hoses that are fully stored inside the wall. They retract inside the wall when not in use, which means you don't have to have this big long hose rolled up in a storage closet somewhere. It's tucked away inside the wall. This one is called Docket. And just a quick disclaimer, this video is not a paid promotion for any make, model, or brand. And you can see at Home Depot, they offer this attachment accessory kit for right around $121. Crevice tool, different brush tools, bare floor, hardwood floor tool, etc. Another great innovation with these central vacuum systems is these powered dustpan inlets. So you would install this right down at the baseboard at the floor, and when you open it, that closes the switch, tells the vacuum to turn on, and you simply sweep the debris on the floor into that opening, and it sucks it down into that central vacuum.
Woo!
Now, some factors to consider when buying a central vacuum. Your budget. These can range anywhere from $500 to upwards of $1,000. That's not including the pro installation or any accessories or the PVC pipe that you'll need to purchase and the PVC fittings. And according to centralvacuumdirect.com, again, the best air watt rating for a central vacuum is between 650 and 800 air watts. Obviously, the more square footage, the higher air watt rating you'll need. And then what is the warranty period of the central vacuum you're buying? Some companies offer 6 to 10 years. Some are greater than 10 years. You just want to shop around, get multiple price quotes. Then you want to consider what accessories and type and length of hose do you need for your home or facility. And what are the installation challenges? The best time to install a central vac system is during the construction phase of a building, obviously, when all the walls and floors are opened up and being framed. However, these can be installed in a finished house or a finished facility But again, going to be a little bit more challenging because you have to watch out for utilities that run inside the wall. You have to drill through the 2x4 bottom plates, etc. And then how many inlet valves do you want? Do you want just one on each floor? Do you want 2 or 3 on each floor, etc.? Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.